In this video, I will show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Crypto.com to Coinbase. So to do this, first go and open up Crypto.com, and then what you want to do is go to Accounts in the bottom and click Crypto. Now here, if you own any Bitcoin, you will see it, so go and select Bitcoin, and then from there click on Transfer. Now select Withdrawal, and then select an external wallet. Now here I already have a few, including my Coinbase Bitcoin wallet, but I'll still show you how to add it, so click on plus in the top right and select a wallet address. Now here you will see the network at the top is set to BTC, which is important to remember. So now go and open up the Coinbase app, and then on Coinbase click Transfer, and then click Receive Crypto. Now here in the search bar type in Bitcoin if you don't see it yet. And then for the network, again select Bitcoin, since on Crypto.com it was also BTC. There you will then get your wallet address, which you can now copy and go back to Crypto.com. Then on Crypto.com simply paste in the wallet address in the wallet address section and select if you are the owner of this wallet address. So if it's your Coinbase account, go and check the box. If it's not, enter the details below. For me it is, so I'll just go and enter it. Then select wallet type, click on that, and then you need to select Coinbase. So you can see it right here, Coinbase, and then click Done. Now you can give it a name such as Coinbase Bitcoin, and then click Continue. Now enter your passcode to confirm that you want to add this wallet address. Now I already have it, so I'll just select it from my whitelist, but after doing this it will now be added, and now you can select it from your list right here. After doing that, from there click on confirm and withdraw if it asks you if you trust this address. Now enter how much you want to send. For this example I'll just send 25 euros and then click on withdraw. For this example I'll just send 100 euros and then click withdraw, and from there click confirm. Now enter your passcode. Now here in the overview you can see the fee and total and all of that. So you can see the fee is very high if you're sending a small amount of money. In this case over 40%, so I won't actually send it for now. But from here, if you now click confirm, then it will be deposited directly onto your Coinbase account. And you can see on average here, it takes 39 minutes when using Bitcoin. So transferring Bitcoin is pretty slow and expensive. So personally, I would transfer it through Solana, for example, or Ethereum, which is much more affordable and quicker. But now you do know how to transfer Bitcoin from Crypto.com to Coinbase. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.